Alright guys, so I had planned on putting up a video today kind of explaining the future of the channel and my plans and all that stuff, and I'll be honest, I didn't finish editing yet. So I'm putting this video up as a holdover. I'm going to finish editing this video tonight and it'll be up tomorrow, which is Monday the 26th at some point. So I apologize. Also in this video I mentioned that this is one of my last powder coating jobs, and I mean, I guess it technically is one of the last, but it's not anywhere near the last, so let's not jump to conclusions, guys. Alright, so this is going to be one of my last projects in powder coating, for now at least. A set of wheels that I bought for one of my van projects. These are VOLK GT-U's. I got these from VR Wheels. I had ordered some 1552 podiums, and I got a notification from them that it was going to be like 6 weeks of waiting for those, and I didn't want to. And then these popped up like the same day. They're period correct. They'll go good for the build. They're a traditional like race type wheel. They're made by VOLK, which makes them better. And I'm going to take you guys through the process of refinishing these things to be extra pretty. I already know what I'm doing color-wise on these. I'm doing black on black. I'm going to do, I think it's called crystalline black, if I remember correctly, which is a metallic black on the barrels, matte black on the face, red bolts, and I'm going to put there's a factory red pinstripe on these. What you might be able to see is now just adhesive mostly, some red left. But I'm going to be putting that stripe back on these. And then I'll have the red brakes behind it. I have my raised formula lugs in chrome and red that are going to go here. Should be a good combo for the van.
like it never ends. Back again, square one. Tried to leave myself behind, looking for a better place, not to stay alone. Gain our trust and you chose to break it. Ask for truth but you only fake it. Thought you said what we had was sacred. It's a lie.